Let's do it, man. Amar, let's get the shutter up. A bit quicker than the Golf, isn't it? Right, so this is it. This is it. A big moment, Mark. Mark, you've come all the way from Aberdeen, yeah?
Yes, that's right.
Because you recently won the Audi S3 on Planet of Dreams.
Yeah.
It's behind the shutter door, and Amar's on the other side. He's about to open it for us. This is the first time that you're going to see this car.
Yes.
Other than on social media, of course.
That's right.
Let's do it, man. Amar, let's get the shutter up. Yes, he is.
It's absolutely stunning.
Stunning, isn't it? Isn't it a nice looking car? It's been sat here, so you obviously won it last week, didn't you?
Yes, last Friday.
Yeah, it is absolutely stunning, isn't it? Like, Sprint Blue is obviously a wonderful colour.
Yeah.
What car do you drive at the minute?
I've just got an old Golf I've had for 5-6 years, but I've been saving for a Golf R or 335D Beamer or...
Oh really? So you want to...
Yeah, something for, because I've got 2 kids, something like an estate, but something I can enjoy, so having this would be perfect.
Oh, that's wicked.
I'll be looking, or an M140 as a second car, something along that lines.
So you're going to be keeping the car then, yeah?
Keeping the car, yeah, I'll keep it at least a year. I'll maybe come back and do a trade-in with you or something, I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. How does it feel then, man? You've won a car.
I know, it feels like a dream, to be honest.
Well done, man. So let's talk about Aberdeen. You've come all the way to, were you born and bred in Aberdeen?
Yes,
You've come all that way today. That is like pretty much as far north as we can go on land.
That was a good flight, 1 hour flight, and then a 1 hour bus journey, and then a taxi, so it's quite good.
That's pretty good. So you flew into Luton.
Flew into Luton.
How much was your flight ticket, just out of curiosity?
It was cheap actually, it was only £30. So
wow, that's cheap, isn't it?
Insuring this was actually the most expensive part.
Oh really?
So because I've got a car that takes up no claims, the quotes I was getting was like 2,500.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So I've taken the no claims off of my car, put it on this one, so it's all good.
That's all good. So the old car, the Golf, what are you getting?
That's my daily car. Take the kids to football, take the kids to their clubs, and I'll keep this clean.
Wicked.
Keep it looked after, yeah.
So obviously you know the journey it's been on. It come from a subscriber of the channel.
Yeah.
You're obviously a subscriber as well. And we've been through the process of like getting it to BRS. We've had spacers put on it. Do you know, it came in as a really nice car anyway.
The spacers look fantastic, especially the back ones.
It just sits really, really nice, doesn't it?
It makes a big difference.
That's that alarm, it keeps going off. We'll let that go. Range Rover. Bloody Range Rovers. Where is it? Ah, there we go. There we go, done. Sorted. As long as it don't catch on fire. So yeah, I can't even remember what else we've done. What else did we do? It was already really nice. Yeah, it came in with a spoiler on already.
Yeah.
It's got a Miltech exhaust. It's stage 1 tunes as well, so it's really subtle as far as that's concerned, but it's 300 brake horsepower. I just like them. I just really like them. I've always wanted to get one on the channel, but trying to find a nice one's not too easy. Pan roof, heated seats,
Pan
Sprint Blue.
really nice, yeah. The blues, I wasn't sure about the blue, but it looks fantastic, to be honest.
It's such an iconic colour on these cars, I think. So, yeah, man. Also, I think what's worth mentioning is you actually won this car through our new feature, Play and Earn.
Yeah.
So you've gone on the platform, you're a dream catcher.
Yeah.
Really grateful, thanks for supporting. And you've played and earned.
Yeah.
And as a result of playing and earning, you've earned yourself an extra entry to this car.
Yeah.
So you've done all of that on the platform for nothing, and you've won the car.
And it was a total surprise because I had seen the video with Aaron, and I thought the car was nowhere near ready to be put up for raffle. Yeah, so I thought it was still the Hyundai, the N30 or i30.
i30N, yeah.
So it was a total surprise.
Yeah.
And I had watched Aaron's video a couple of days before, but I hadn't watched our updated video yet. So after the phone call, went straight back and watched it.
Oh, wicked.
Yeah, so it was exciting, yeah.
Well, let's talk about the phone call, because I went live, done the live stream every Friday, midday, do my live draw, and when there's a winner for a car, I make the phone call to the winner to say congratulations, you won the car.
So obviously I've been trying to get hold of you today, and you ain't been answering your phone. It's very important, mate, because you know the Audi S3 on Planet of Dreams? The blue one. That is now yours, mate. You just won it today on Planet of Dreams.
I had a meeting at work, so I had a presentation, so I was held in a meeting from 10:30 to 12:30, so I couldn't have answered.
Oh, so you was in a meeting because I was ringing you.
I know. I had like loads. I thought, loads of missed calls.
And I kept saying, right, we're going to wait. We're going to keep ringing him. And then, I think there must have been 3 or 4 missed calls.
4 missed calls, I think. Yeah.
Really?
And I thought, what's this?
And then in the end, I thought, you know, I'm going to let him be. He must be busy. We concluded that you might be on a night shift, or might have been on a night shift, and you might have been asleep in the day.
Yeah, I was just in a meeting.
I thought better not.
And then it was weird because as soon as I recognised your voice, I was like, I don't know this voice, but it's trying to think, how do I know this voice?
That's funny. That's funny. Wicked. All right. Well, we're just going to do the usual thing. Go for your first drive in your new car, and talk a bit more about you. Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect.
Let's go. It's another Planet of Dreams car. He's like, Carol, this one's not so straightforward. So, sorry, I haven't given you the keys yet, have I? And let's hand you your keys, sir.
Thank
there you
you.
go, 2 keys as well. And that is the thing with this whole journey of Planet of Dreams. It's expensive.
Yeah.
It is expensive.
Oh, you can see that.
It's very expensive. This has been sat here since the live draw, by the way. So
That's
waiting for you to come and collect.
I try to have a bit of banter with whoever runs your email, but
Oh, really?
yeah, no, I'm just going to be quite quiet. I hope the car's spotless. Well,
What's that?
I wrote, I hope the car's spotless when I pick it up with, with a wink.
That's
They
it.
just ignored it.
Well,
This way.
yeah, straight out there, yeah. It is though, isn't it lovely?
Yeah.
It is a nice thing. I think the rear wiper, that's something else we've done to this one. Luckily the you know, getting this car right, yeah, it's the clutch.
Clutch feels a bit sticky. I like it's
It's a strong clutch. It is a strong clutch. Yeah, with this car, they didn't need loads. I think we've done a service on it. I can't remember what else, but it's turned out to be a nice car.
Yeah, it looks a fantastic car.
So let's talk about you then. So what do you do for work?
So I am a project coordinator. So I look after electricians offshore.
We're going to go right.
Well, EX inspectors offshore.
Oh, you said that.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I'm a electrician, sparky by trade.
Oh, all right.
And then I went back and done my diploma, electrical engineering diploma. So I just finished that in August.
Really?
4 years.
Well
And
done.
then I'm taking a year off, and then I'll go back and do another 2 years and get the degree.
Fair play.
So, which is hard. It's hard going because I've got 2 kids, 2 young kids.
How old are your kids?
It's 9 and 11.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that is hard to go in. Well done, man.
Yeah.
So you're loving your job then?
I do love my job now. Yeah, it's really
You're
good.
gonna go into
I love
this.
my last job, to be honest. Yeah. So it's quite a new job, reasonably new.
So you plan to stay put where you are, keep going as you are?
Yeah, for a while, and then get my degree.
That's
and
good.
Go M4 shopping.
And then what?
M4 shopping.
Yeah, exactly that. Level up again with your car
Yes, that's right.
situation.
That's what it's about. Yeah.
So you're currently driving your Golf.
Yeah, which I've had for a long time. But
What is the Golf?
it's just a diesel, just a 1.6 diesel.
What year is it?
2010, which, although it was my second car, but I split with the wife. We had a Lexus before. She took the Lexus, and then
Oh, right. So you've
I've
got
been stuck with the Golf.
the template Golf.
Yeah, which has been a fantastic car, to be honest.
They are a good car.
And now that I've got kids, I'm going to keep it as a second car. You can imagine with the football boots in it and the amount of driving I do.
Yeah.
Crisps in the back, just
mess.
yeah.
Kids,
And,
this is what kids do, isn't it?
yeah, and I've been saving for a new car, but it's like hard to decide. Like an M140 is a second car that I just use myself, or maybe something like a Gulf R Estate, or
That's a cool car.
or a 335 diesel estate. But rear wheel drive in Aberdeen is a nightmare.
Because of the weather?
Yeah, just because of the weather. It's more hassle than it's worth sometimes.
But
But it's good for 10 months of the year or 11 months of the year.
Yeah, but the winters are quite harsh, are they?
Can be. They've been quite mild the last few years, but they can be.
Well, you'd be alright in this with full driving.
Yeah,
up.
and I've driven an S3 before, and it was amazing. But I've never owned a 4-wheel drive car.
Oh, really?
No, but I used to have a Sierra Cosworth, a rear-wheel drive, so I know what a rear-wheel drive is.
Oh, right, that's wicked.
Yeah, I used to love that.
But blimey, you had a Sierra Cosworth
Yeah, a long time ago.
a long time ago.
It was another fantastic car.
Yeah, they were an amazing car back in the day, weren't they?
Yeah.
You're obviously a proper petrol head, didn't
Yeah, yeah. but it's just kids and houses and
Yeah.
life take priority.
So how was life at the minute then? So you split up
Life's
with
good,
your
yeah.
missus, your ex?
Got a new fiance and
Oh, nice.
life's good.
That's good. You're loving that power, ain't you?
Yeah, it's good.
It pulls well, doesn't it?
It does pull well. It does.
That's good. So life's good at the minute for you then, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fantastic. Yeah.
As we sort of approach the end of 2023,
that's
so,
right.
you know, it's
Yeah,
nice to wrap the year up as a
right.
positive one, especially with a new car that you won.
Yeah. It's a shame it's coming into winter and not the start of summer.
Yeah, you get used to that panoramic roof.
Exactly. Yeah, that's right.
What was the first video of mine you got? So you're a subscriber to the channel?
Oh, I've been a subscriber for years.
Oh, really? That's good to hear.
Before, well, like years now.
Oh, wicked.
Big fan of your channel and Ricky's channel.
Ricky's brilliant, isn't he?
Yeah. Although I've not watched many of Ricky's videos lately since
I think
he stopped.
Yeah, he's not been posting so much.
No.
But yeah, his videos are amazing.
But
That's wicked. That's good to know. Oh, yeah, I was going to ask you, do you play on any other competition platform?
just living life fast.
Oh, that's
but
good.
Just now and then when I see a car I like.
Yeah.
Not all the time.
That's good to know, though.
Yeah.
'Cause they
I'll
are.
put 20, 30 pounds on a month if I see a car I like.
Yeah.
Nothing crazy.
Yeah, that's good. It's fun, and you're in the pot, and you never
That's
know.
right,
Yeah,
that's-
this
you know,
is
that's
reality.
That's as crazy that I'm actually here and the journey here and walking around, walking into bin cuts and meeting yourself.
The full experience, isn't it?
That's right.
It's good.
Uh,
I think, you know, I'm happy. You're happy as well.
Oh yeah. And it'll get used properly. It'll get looked after and driven hard and.
Yeah, you'll get the proper use out of it. You'll enjoy it, you'll cherish it, but you will have some fun in it as well.
Definitely.
That's what it's all about, isn't it?
Yeah. So.
Well done,
Can't
man.
wait to get home, and we've got fantastic roads up in Scotland that I'll
I bet you have.
Yeah.
I bet you have. I bet it's a nice sort of, I can just visualise mountains and just nice scenery, nice country lanes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll be loving it.
I'll be back next year.
Back next year to part exchange it in for, well, maybe not an M140i because that's probably not the perfect choice.
Well,
Maybe a Golf R Estate.
Yeah, Golf R. Yeah, or even I don't love the Golf R Estate. I love the Golf R, not so much the Estate, but it suits the needs better.
Yeah, Golf R's are a great car. You know how much I love them.
I've never driven a Golf R,
Oh, really?
but it ticks every box. It's pretty much perfect for what I need it for.
Yeah, no, they're a wicked car. Everyone loves bloody Golf R's. They're brilliant. I think for me it was cool to see that you've done this play and earn thing, which I haven't engaged with much at all. The idea was, I thought it was brilliant, and then we've launched it, and everyone seems to be loving it. And you know, you've leveled up to, I don't know what ranking you're on or whatever, but you level up and you earn prizes along the way. You earn entries to prizes, and it as a result of that, it's cool for me to see that you've actually won from your play and earn entry.
I know, it's crazy.
It's wicked. You've basically gone on the website, played a game, and won a car. It's wicked.
Yeah, it's hard to believe that I've actually won a car.
Have you ever won anything before?
No, not really. Nothing big.
Nothing worth talking about.
No.
A fiver on the lottery, maybe.
I don't even think I've ever won the lottery. I don't play the lottery as much.
Wicked. Well, that's it, man. We're going to head back and do, you know, usual stuff, paperwork and that, and then you can head off on your journey back. How long is the drive back?
It's 8 hours.
Really?
8.5 hours. Yeah, but that's okay.
It's you'll enjoy it. You'll
Hopefully
be
take an hour or two off that.
in your new car. Yeah. Don't do that. Take it easy, mate. Take it easy. So it's nearly 1 p.m. now.
Yeah.
You should be back.
I'll stop for a few coffees.
Yeah, exactly that.
I'm
But
not in a rush to get home.
take your time. Enjoy it.
Yeah,
Enjoy
that's
it.
right.
Well done, man.
That's amazing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Carl. Appreciate
Congratulations. And for anyone that's new to the channel, new to the platform, I'll link Planet Dreams in the description below. You can enter for free. You can enter for your chance to win stuff for nothing. You can also sign up as a dream catcher, which Mark's done, and he's also done the play and earn thing where you can play and earn literally. And as a result of that, he's just got himself a car.
Yeah, which is unbelievable.
Which is wicked. I think the next car in line is the M135i, and I have bought some more cars, but they're yet to be announced. All right, so done. Anything else you want to add before we leave?
No, thank you so much. It is a dream, to be honest.
Well
Yeah,
done. Probably spin it round in there actually. We'll spin it round, head back. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you like this video. If you did like this video, do me a favour, hit the like button, hit subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.